5 Steps How to Determine Your Investment Goals. Once, I saw in the news that a company increased 100% in value in one day. It seemed unreal, as if your mind is playing a trick on you. But if you see it once, you will see it more often. Confirmation bias will have its effects. If you think investing will naturally lead to a 100% increase in wealth, you are setting yourself up for failure. Because you are ignoring the stocks which are underperforming or leading to an almost 100% decrease in value due to your confirmation bias. On the stock market, there are many opportunities that can come. However, always keep in mind that there are also many stocks that underperform. If you want to achieve success in life and investing, you increase your chances of favorable results when you set clearly defined and achievable goals. Edwin A. Locke and Gary P. Latham conducted research on goal-setting theory. There are 5 steps that can help you set a goal. 1. Clarity. Make it clear to yourself why you want to start investing. For example, you want to invest to increase your wealth. Although that's often the case, it is not specific enough. You have to ask yourself, why do you want to invest? And when do you want to achieve the desired result? If you're investing for your retirement, you will have another time path and make different choices than an individual who wants to invest for the short term. Asking why and when will help your thought process and make it easier to set a goal. The clarity of your goals can help you find the investments in line with your goals and desired results. 2. Challenge. It is proven that when your goal is specific and challenging, you are more motivated to reach it. This applies to every aspect of your life, including investing. You could have as a goal to become a better investor and challenge yourself to have a return of 10% in a year. However, I prefer not to limit myself. Therefore, you could adjust your goal to achieve a return of at least 10% in a year. 3. Commitment. If you want to achieve your goal, commitment is crucial. By setting an achievable goal and working towards it, you give yourself the means to commit. The effort and discipline to keep your goal in sight will be challenged by external and internal obstacles. When the going gets tough, and you're losing money, your mind will be filled with negative thoughts and suggestions to quit. By keeping your goals and time path in mind, you can defeat your inner naysayer and improve your self-efficacy. It also helps to invest money you can afford to lose to maintain a clear mental state and improve your decision-making. 4. Feedback. Feedback is an important aspect of achieving your goal, and the feedback in investing can come in different ways. The easiest one is to check the balance of your investing account and see the losses or gains. You can tally it up and see if you're in line with your desired result. I prefer to look further than only the cold hard numbers. I try to educate myself by reading investment books and news. Writing down what I learn when I make a mistake. I also discuss with others about investing and my investments to gain other perspectives. You don't want to only compound your wealth, but also your knowledge. With keeping the progress of investing in mind and your gained knowledge, you can evaluate and adjust your goal. 5. Task complexity. A goal can seem daunting and overwhelming and therefore difficult to achieve. More often than not, the solution is to break up your daunting goal into sub-goals and the goal seems achievable. If you want to achieve an investment return of 10 to 15% in a year, you can break the year into quarters as if you're a company. You can set sub-goals per quarter and build natural evaluation moments. Like you want to achieve at least 5% per quarter. By breaking the year into quarters, you can analyze what is going right and wrong and how you can improve for the upcoming quarter. You can even write your own quarterly report and have an earnings estimate for the upcoming quarter. It makes you more accountable and strengthens your commitment to the end goal. Step by step, we will get there, and sometimes we will fall but get up again. Goals will change over time because of events and learning from previous mistakes. Even when you think you are losing because you failed to achieve your goal. During these moments, I like to think about the quote of Nelson Mandela, "I never lose. I either win or learn."